Hey everyone, this is a really quick review of the GearWrench 35-piece Microdriver set. It's on sale right now for Black Friday for $13. So I thought I'd review the one I've had for a few months now. So here's the case up close. It's got a little latching mechanism here. It's not super sturdy. I think if you drop this, you're going to be playing 35-piece ratcheting set pickup. But it gets the job done. You just got to make sure you got that lid closed because there is no positive retention in these. They're just little slots they set in. The ratchet itself here, it's got a 1/4-inch end with a 60-tooth ratchet on it. Both ends are reversible. And then on this end, you've got a 5/16" drive, and it is a 72-tooth ratchet. So the various different bits with these work with either side. This one, the bigger bits are going to work with a 5/16, and the smaller bits are going to work with the 1/4-inch size. The 1/4-inch square adapter for the sockets here. This one is run on the 5/16 side, and you can just pop it in, and you can put, say, a 10mm on there, and it's about the same depth as a regular ratchet if you're doing 1/4-inch drive. So you don't get much savings there for depth, but if you're looking at doing bits, this thing can be a lifesaver. It's got a 5/32 drive hex with a 1/4-inch. Whoops, wrong side. Pop it in there, and these are 1-inch insert bits, so your clearance is 1 inch with these, and you can turn these by hand on the knurled top right here to get it started, and then when you need more torque, you can sit here and ratchet with it. So this is super handy if you're putting together something normally you'd have to use an Allen wrench with, and you gotta, take that hex out every time and turn it. This is such a time savings. It saved me probably hours of work over the course of the time I've used it. So the bits that you get with it, you've got, I'll list these below in the video description, but you've got 3/32 up through 3/8" hex, T20 through T50, several different sizes of slotted drivers, Phillips 1 through 3, and a square drive 2 and 3, no square drive 1, unfortunately. The metric sizes you've got here, 8 through 14mm. Obviously, we're not hitting all the different sizes, but we do have a 10mm here, which is one of the most common sizes for metric. Standard sizes, we've got 5/16 all the way up through 9/16. Underneath here on the bottom is a little belt clip. I don't really use this, and I don't know really how securely it would be fastened, but you can just pop this in like that and carry it like that, or up top like this. I really think you're asking for trouble with this though, because if you bump this and the door comes open, you're gonna spill everything everywhere. So it's up to you if you use that. It's there if you want it, but I don't use it myself. The quality on these bits seem to be pretty good. GearWrench is a very good value brand for the level of quality you get. There were a few little inconsistencies here that aren't really big deals. But you can see the 14mm socket here is stamped upside down. Everything else is stamped right side up. And then the 1/4-inch driver was double stamped. The 1/4-inch hex driver was double stamped here. Not a big deal. It's just little quality issues that you see that are like, that's not 100%, perfect, but it really doesn't affect performance at all. So this regular price is around $17 to $18, which is actually a really good deal still. But right now it's on sale for $13, so you can get a link in the description below if you want to get this as a stocking stuffer or a gift or for yourself. It's a great little deal.